Welcome back to The Vine. So if you know a man in your life that will put off his doctor's appointments, well, listen to this. Dr. Absalom Tilley is here from Healthy Connections to tell us about their Playbook men's health program. It's good to see you here.
Thank you. I'm a lifelong Arkansan. I have watched Channel 11 all my life.
Oh, I love that.
So thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Well, that's very awesome. That's very exciting. We're glad to have you here too. I want to know, what is Playbook Men's Health?
Well, you know from seeing other providers from our clinics that across the state we provide primary and preventative care for everybody, including specialized care for women's health, people with HIV, hepatitis C, and those struggling with abuse, addiction.
Yeah.
And our CEO noticed a glaring hole in the people that were accessing care. So Jeffrey Slayton and our marketing team came up with a very clever idea to play on the fact that men in particular, because they like sports, would appeal to what we call our Healthy Connections Playbook, which just outlines a comprehensive care that we are giving to men.
Putting it in language that men can understand.
And an analogy that they certainly can understand.
And why does this matter right now or anytime?
Well, to be honest with you, women have a lot more common sense when it comes to healthcare than men. And men tend to have the attitude they just need to suck it up, be tough, and they just don't have access to care. Let me ask you a quick question. What do you think the most common sign that men give us to let us know that they have heart disease?
Oh, to let us know? That
to let us healthcare people know that they have heart disease.
Okay, like a symptom?
Yeah, I won't make you struggle. You might say chest pain. You might say worsening,
Maybe,
shortness of breath.
Shortness of breath is what I was
Those would be
gonna say.
excellent things. But to be honest with you, the most common symptom and sign that men have that let us know that they have health disease is sudden death.
Oh,
they just drop
I was
dead.
not going to say that at all. No.
I know. And another thing, the average diabetic who gets diagnosed with diabetes has actually been diabetic for 7 years.
Wow.
And that's 7 years of a lot of things that can happen to your body that's not good.
Right.
And you might say in those two things that the health system has failed them, but in reality, people have to come to us first in order to be diagnosed with any of those things. So that's what our initiative is, really reaching out to men in particular to help them from the top of their head to the bottom of their feet.
Yeah, I know a lot of times it's us wives or daughters, moms that are pushing the men in our life to actually make those appointments. You know, it's you need to go to the doctor.
We tend to be a little hard-headed, and that's absolutely true. But the whole idea is, men care about their hair, their skin, everything about their body, their weight, and all of the things that's going on inside. So we do have a very proactive, comprehensive, not just a one-stop shop, but it really is the whole philosophy of Healthy Connections. We don't want people just to come in and be seen. We want to develop relationships with our patients and their families. And then we get to really understand the challenges that they have, help them overcome those barriers, whether they're financial or geographic, whatever it is.
You're so right, though. It's ingrained in men from an early age to just suck it up, be tough, be mentally strong, and get through whatever is going on, not to whine or complain. So, yeah, it's not your fault.
Yeah. Well, it's not that tough to get somebody into their 70s and 80s anymore. The challenge is really getting them there with a high quality of life.
Right.
So,
and find these things before it's a problem.
Exactly. You play like you practice. Our whole idea is you come in, you do all these things right, and you win the game of life. And when you do that, everybody wins.
Right. So how is Playbook Men's Health different from, this program different from what other clinics may do?
A lot of times they will specialize or emphasize a certain thing, like hormone treatment or other aspects of care. We are looking at both physical and mental, behavioral health, mental challenges that some people have. We're looking at all of those things that men could have in a very comprehensive and total way. Again, from the top of their head to the bottom of their feet, everything that they can possibly have, we're really emphasizing the total care.
Yeah, and it's time to make that appointment. So here's all of the information on the screen. The website, you have it, playbookmenshealth.com. There's the phone number. You're on social media, so just pick up the phone, make an appointment.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much. It's so great to meet you.
Great. It's great to be here. Thank you again.
Come and see us again.